So GME, are we sitting on a good or a bad side? We will gonna analyze in details. Watch the entire video so you can have a very clear idea where GME is heading and why did it really dip down today. What was the real reason? So it's supposed to really climb the $29.40, but in fact we came back down here. So on a daily chart, you see here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 back-to-back uptrend days. That was really impressive. 10 back-to-back uptrend days. That was really impressive. But now coming to the 11th day, still we are sitting on an uptrend day because we didn't break down below this uptrend line. So we are sitting on a good position. It was just a simple pullback, and that's okay because we are getting closer to this squeezing point right here, $29.40, which you see the resistance and the uptrend, the overall support uptrend. If it really carries this, that will be absolutely okay. Probably tomorrow the stock can go to $28.70. That can be the range the stock can really go here. So this is the range the stock can really go. Hold on, just let me draw exactly. Here we go. So this is where we can end up tomorrow. Can be possible on $28.77. Can be, because we are trying to mimic right this resistance right here. As you see this big red candle right here, we're trying to mimic this red candle as a resistance, and if that holds as a resistance and holds the uptrend like a support, we are going very, very good. But again, keep one thing in mind, keep a very important thing in mind. Now the earnings sessions are about to get started, and we will see how this will really shape. I mean, what kind of shape this GME will really take. Will it give us that massive short squeeze or no? We will see very clear. And also we will see very clear how many short sellers are really there. It means how many naked shorts are really there based on the uptrend line, that what we have to follow this. Let's say we get one massive day, like $4 it moves in one single day. So that will be a very clear sign that these short sellers, they shorted illegally more and more shares than the usual, right? And now coming back to the question is, can that really be possible that we can touch $32.13, like $4 in a one single day on this GME? Yes, it's highly possible, because as you see the volume here, the red color volume right here on the down, the volume is pretty low, but the candle on these two candles, if you really compare, they are almost the same size, 75% the same size candle. But look at the volume, the selling volume, again, that is pretty thin, but the buying volume is solid. That means the short positions have been getting closed on a consistent basis since past 24 hours. So on the next red candle, what you see here, the volume is very thin and not so heavy like the yesterday's green volume. So right now while I'm recording this video, I'm sitting at $35,367 unrealized loss on 55,000 shares. So the cost base goes around $1.548 million. So is that really good or bad? Of course, I was almost sitting on $90,000 plus on a green side. Now came back down to 35, 33, fluctuating back and forth. That's still okay. I'm not so panicked because, as you know, before it was minus $250,000, and right now sitting 33. That's still acceptable. That's okay. And why am I that okay? How am I really getting myself comfortable that I'm okay with this kind of loss? Because we day trade every single day. come join the group down in the link below. And while I was having minus 250K to minus $250,000 in unrealized loss, we already made that loss back. So I don't have to look that at, because on a safe side, we day trade, swing trade, and even the long terms. You can come in the Discord, join that, and you'll see you can trade side by side with me stocks, and you can make profit, and you can learn. If you don't know, you can learn from me, and you can ask anything directly. You will be answered promptly in the Discord without any ignorance. So it's just less than $20. The seats will be filled very fast, and the prices will go higher and higher. So come now, you will enjoy, you will never regret, you're gonna love it. So coming back, GME here, this uptrend, what we are following, it's on a very good side. But tomorrow, something interesting we will be watching. That means the stock has to touch $28.70 as a resistance, which is this right here, the cursor right here. And if it falls down, probably we'll be sitting on around probably $28.39. If tomorrow's is a Doge candle, let's say it's a red Doge candle, half buying pressure, half selling pressure. I mean 60% selling pressure and 40% buying power, so that forms absolutely a Doge candle. So if we get that kind of candle, we are still on a good side. But all, we don't want this resistance, I mean the support, to break below. So once it breaks below, then it's something really bad, because it's gonna take a U shape again, coming back down to $26.24, then climbing back up, because again it'll take a little while for us to really climb back up, and we really don't want that, right? On the worst case scenario, we don't want this to come back down. If we come back down again, we will be coming back down to $27.43, the first one, and again on Friday we will be flushing down to $26.26. These are highly possible scenarios. But if not, if we are going forth tomorrow and day after tomorrow, probably this area can be the squeezing point, coming forth going to $32.13. only if we are squeezing right here. So only if you're squeezing. So on a 4 hours chart, you can see something really magnificent happening right here. We are going on a downtrend right here. The resistance line are on a downtrend, right? And overall, now you see the support line. We broke that support line, and now we are trying to touch $26.88. That's what we are trying to touch. But if we just say, if we break below that and go to $26 directly, that can be a little problem, but again, not so bad as what we think, as what you think. Not so bad, because a little pullback is kind of normal, because of course you will not have back-to-back green days in any stocks. Even if you have, you will get a massive pullback. And now here, the main thing is about volume right here. You see here, the volume is again declining here. So probably we might get consolidation here, and again the rise up on the volume. So this is what we are looking here. But if it doesn't really follow this, this can be really on tomorrow and on Friday have that thinner and thinner volume. Usually when it comes to GME, when it comes Friday, we are getting on a very thin volume, because we are going back forth next weekday on Monday, and on the weekend we're gonna rest. So usually on Fridays the stock really performs a little bit so choppy and confused, especially GME. And let's see, next week they are big earnings. So during earnings, let's see if these guys, they want to close their positions, so we'll know very clear how big of a position they're really holding and how small of a position they're really holding. We will know very, very clear. So today's pattern, what happened on a 5-minute chart, you see here, this was today's scenario right here. So let me just draw that straight line here. So I can just pack it into 2 boxes. This was, we got pumped and dumped, and we were recovering a little bit right back to $29.29. Then eventually this massive 2 red candles, you see here, 500,000 shares in right 10 minutes to more than 250,000, almost 600,000 shares were sold right here in 10 minutes. But are these the short sellers, or are these the guys who are taking their profits and locking their profits? This can be possible. The retail traders who were really got stuck in GME, what they were thinking, maybe they just sold it on break even price because they don't want to hold it for too long, and they don't want to carry forward that they will really be stuck. So that they are thinking, of course, if this stock really flushes down and we'll be stuck in the stock and we have to wait more and more for the short squeeze, so better off we'll just get out of the stock. So that can be the possible scenario. These 2 candles, retail traders that sold their positions and probably stop losses and all, these kind of order limits or orders, they trigger these kind of 2 candles. And coming at the market close happened the same here. And now we might be thinking, oh, these are the hedge funds, what they are trying to really short the stocks. But I'm telling you, we are sitting on a very, very good position. We are sitting on a very safe position. So you don't have to worry about anything. The only thing you have to worry about, if the stock really comes down to $26.24, that's the worst part, that we don't want that in the stock. We want this uptrend to continue. So if we continue this uptrend, we are all okay. We don't have to bother so much. So stay relaxed. From my side, I'm relaxed, but this is my opinion. This is my chart reading. If you like it, hit that like button. I'm making these videos for you guys. Appreciate that. You can say me thank you just by liking and subscribing, and follow me on Instagram. And the link is down in the description. And you can also join the group where you will enjoy trading. We have a beautiful community, intelligent people, and you're gonna love it. How we trade, how we make profits on all of the stocks, not just GME. Just GME is just one part, and all of the stocks, of course, we make profit on a daily basis. On a daily basis, you get the entry point, you get the exit point, you get the notification when to buy, when to sell, what price to buy, what price to sell. You have the exact thing, so you can enjoy the entire stuff, the journey to grow your portfolios. So, and if you don't know, of course, I'm there to teach. You can learn from me, and you will enjoy learning. But believe me, you will grow your portfolios massively. So follow me even on the other videos of all other stocks. What I make is not about just GME, this channel. It's all about the other stocks, especially the stock market. And when you see any opportunity in any stocks what I post, just take advantage of that. Because this channel is to support all the people out there, to make them some profits, to support for that, not just for the clickbait, because I get nothing. It's all about the support, and take advantage of these videos and the chart ratings, and probably apply. Maybe you'll be benefited. If you get confused, just come in the group. Probably you'll see how we are doing. Maybe you can imitate us and make some profit. So thank you so much. Probably see you in the next video. Hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and finally, I'm sitting on a $31,517 as I'm recording this video. GME, am I worried? No, I'm not worried. Absolutely, I'm all okay. I'm all relaxed. So nothing to worry about. So stay relaxed. GME, it will happen, but patience is the key. Do not gamble in the market. Trade smartly, learn and approach the market smartly. You will make millions and millions of dollars. Thank you. See you in the next video.